class is Miss Heidi Matiga. Good afternoon to everyone. My topic for today is all about fraction. By the way, what is fraction?
The function is the fraction.
What is fraction? I know that some of you must know the meaning of this. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Can you give example of a fraction? 1/4. Another.
1/8.
3/4. Then
91.
91 is not a fraction. 3/4. 1/2. 1/8.
2/2.
Oh, 2/2.
1/2.
2/2 or 1. Fraction are, there are two types of fraction, proper fraction and then proper fraction. Proper fraction, ang mag-una sa numerator gamay kontra sa denominator like 1/2. Pero sa improper fraction, ang ibabaw dako ubos gamay. Comparing fraction. Ato may dako 2/3 or 5/3. May dako
5/3. Total ay dili ba? Total ay 2/3 lagi. Ang bahay mo na.
Nganong 2/3 branch? Dako ang 5/3. Ay ngano? Kay the greater the numerator, pareha man sila denominator, no? Kung dalahi ang numerator. Ang greater numerator is greater the value. Ug asay dako diri og numerator, maoy dako og value. Ug pareha sila og kanang denominator. So 2/3 and 5/3, ang dako ani ang 5/3. Ang rule anak og similar denominator, the greater the numerator is greater the value. Another example, 3/5 and 3/7. Ato may dako, 3/5 or 3/7?
3/5.
Ang dako, 3/5. Kaya ngano? Ug pareha galit silang ibabaw, ug asay gamay ug ubos maoy dako. Pero ug dinhi, ug asay dako ug ibabaw maoy dito dako. Pero ug sa numerator na gali magtuan, numerator na gali pareha, ang gamay ug denominator maoy dako. Kani sa law of the same numerator, the lesser the denominator, in the greater the value. Three 8 plus 1/8. 4/8. 4/8 or it can be reduced to
1/2.
Or 1/2. Anong 1/2 man? Lowest term. Ay, mangita og lowest term. Kung sa may lowest term, ani 4/8. 4 ang isang kumo nilang duha. 4 divided by 4, 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. This one, who can solve?
Ako, ma'am. This one, is the LCD.
Ito makasolve. Kani 4 plus 6 pila man? 10. 10. 5 plus 7, 12. Pila? 12. Over 8. 10. 12 divided by 8, pila man?
148.
Uy, dili man 5 ug 7 plus 5, pila man di ay?
12.
12, pagkahuman, unsaon man ni si Zach?
Di ka nang i-divide na mo. I-change to mixed number. So, 8 times 10 is
12 divided by 8, 1, 8, 4. 4 over 8, or 1 and 1 half. Plus 1 and 1 half. Pila man?
11 and 1 half.
11 and 1 half. Number 3.
Look. Five.
Kani,
Ayaw.
bukan so.
4, 3. Or 3. I was good done. 4, 3. 4, 10. 4, 10. 4, 10.
This is right. Why?
It times the numerator to numerator and denominator and denominator. Divide. Ano kasi divide mo? So,
Unsolved. Just simplify. 3 times 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 1, 7. 7 over 2 times
514.
7 times 5, 14 times 2,
28.
or, unsa may answer ani? Kuan, unsa man is a proper fraction ang answer? Improper fraction or mixed number?
Mixed number.
Nganong mixed number man?
Divided by 35 divided by 28.
35 divided by 28.
1. 28. 7.
15, 7, 7 and 28. 1 over 7, 28 or 1 and
4. 1 and 1.
1 and
1,
4. Who can solve this one? Times 2.
Ito na po, Nick.
Sakto na si Garo. Sakto. Kaya nga naman.
I cannot integrate passive use multiplication, ay cross multiplication ko, lowest term pa.
Pwede po niya si Zagi mo, dili ka maggamit ani mo yung 3 times 2, pila man? 6. 5 times 3, 15. Ma-reduce ko man ni si Zao, so may common nilang duha ani. 3. 6 divided by 3, 2. 15 divided by 3, 5. Oh, so the answer is 250.